Up until about 10 years ago, if you wanted to shoot on location, move quickly, freedom from cables, you had to shoot on film on 16mm. Then Betacam came along. It changed the world.
The world of television changed forever in 1982. That change was brought about by Betacam. Suddenly, the world had access to real news, straight out of the camera. And wherever news is happening, you'll find Betacam, anytime, anywhere in the world. But Betacam isn't just about news. It's also in regular use as an acquisition format for documentaries and dramas. Wherever there is a need for a fast, reliable system, delivering the kind of quality that's only possible with a true component recording system, but at an affordable price. Betacam has earned its place as the world's #1 format, with over 190,000 units in use. The story is the same in post-production. Betacam is the standard, everywhere. The quality of Betacam's component recording has led to today's program makers making greater technical and creative demands. Some can only be met with digital systems. But in the past, digital component production has only been available at a price. Now, the Betacam family has grown to offer Digital Betacam. Digital Betacam gives full digital component quality throughout the production chain. There's a range of decks for all dubbing, editing and transmission applications. Sony's innovative research has led to many breakthroughs in the technology behind digital recording. So Digital Betacam offers digital component quality at a cost that's close to analog. And Digital Betacam technology allows the design of a fully digital component camcorder. But even if you don't feel ready to make the move to shooting on Digital Betacam, there's already an acquisition format that's ideally matched, and you're using it now. Because with Digital Betacam, compatibility is built in. You can play your analog Betacam or Betacam SP rushes on a Digital Betacam deck. Camera rushes or archive material, your investment is safe. Compatibility doesn't stop at playing analog or digital Betacam tapes. It also means compatibility with your existing systems. One machine or a complete facility, composite, component or SDI, you'll find that Digital Betacam has all the right answers. The cost of changing to Digital Betacam is low, with its low installation costs and built-in familiarity and compatibility. It's a system that will work for you from day one. The front panel will be familiar to anyone who's ever used a Betacam, but gives access to several new features such as pre-read, which enables 3 machine effects to be achieved with only 2 machines. Running costs are also low. Low tape speeds mean less wear on tape, transport and heads. Even when maintenance is needed, you'll find a cost benefit, because Digital Betacam is designed with ease of maintenance in mind. And Digital Betacam has the lowest tape costs of any digital system. When you look at all the benefits, you'll see that Digital Betacam brings some unbeatable advantages. This is because Sony has worked closely with users to make certain that Digital Betacam meets real needs. NRK in Norway were one of the first broadcasters to commit to the new format.
We needed a new recorder and went out asked for what we called a D1, half price, half size.
And Sony delivered with Digital Betacam.
We've had these machines since the middle of February this year, and we have been running them constantly ever since, performing various kinds of tests. We are not able to see any difference between D1 and this machine.
Technical quality, cost of installation, and cost of ownership were all better than NRK's original specification. And there was the added benefit of tape compatibility.
We have, I think, more than 50,000 cassettes with program material on Betacam SP format.
So Digital Betacam was confirmed as NRK's choice for their future.
Yes, we are confident that we have made the right choice for us.
Here in the UK, Mersey TV thoroughly tested the format earlier this year. They edited several episodes of the drama series Brookside on digital Betacam. The experience was a complete success, starting with the installation.
There were no problems at all in installing the machines. We took out 2 Beta SP machines, we put in 2 digital Betacam machines, all of the cables plugged into virtually the same place on the back panel. We didn't even have to cut a cable tie on the cable loom.
Obviously the whole idea is to record and edit pictures to the highest possible standard, and with digital Betacam the actual quality is identical to what comes out of the camera in component, without a doubt.
Although we are looking very much towards an all-digital future, we still see quite a long life yet for our existing analog acquisition equipment. And the ability of digital Betacam to play back our analog tapes is a great advantage.
After hearing D1 and D2 machines in edit environments, the digital Betacam machine is very, very much quieter. That, in fact, is the air conditioning, which is about 15,000 times noisier than digital Betacam.
There are other audio benefits with digital Betacam.
It's nice to see that Sony have actually made the audio track available in jog and shuttle. From the editing point of view, that's of prime importance, especially in drama.
From all of the figures I have at the moment, it would seem to me that of all of the digital formats, digital Betacam is going to be the most cost-effective in terms of equipment cost and tape cost.
The Brookside episodes were transmitted over the summer, and Mersey TV have now joined the ranks of committed digital Betacam users. They have recently been joined by RTE. They're in the process of transferring their entire archive onto a future-proof format. Compatibility and cost of tape were major factors in tipping the balance in favour of digital Betacam.
The backwards compatibility was a major issue, but the second issue was the cost of stock. Sony have taken quite an aggressive approach on that in the marketplace.
Effectively, we won't have to transfer all our SP onto digital format in order to keep them.
Editors and VT people were very impressed indeed with the operational features and the technical quality as well. They were very impressed.
But with this thing, he just removed one of the heads and effectively, I didn't see any difference on the picture that I was looking at anyway. It really appeared to be magic.
We're interested in a workhorse product, and that's what we're looking for in digital Betacam. We want the next generation to replace analog that is cost-effective and robust.
Digital Betacam has also been evaluated by facility houses. 2 machines were delivered to Molyneux along with a simple brief: take it to the limits.
Well, it was a joy to work with. It didn't let us down once, and our original brief was to really push and challenge it as far as we could. We certainly gave it a run.
We tried. Sony wanted to go at least 100 generations to show off its capabilities, but we thought we could push it further. We tried the twist effect. 270 generations later, it came up with the goods, and all in pre-read as well.
Oh yes, pre-read's something that I've previously been very, very worried about, but not after this. It's not let us down once. The ability to mix and effect between 2 machines at will has been a real boon. And from a director's point of view, the other thing that I've been very impressed with is the way you can go round the houses with the generations. We've gone from 1 generation to 100 generation, and the pictures looked as crisp at the end as it did when it went in at the beginning.
What can we say? It did everything we wanted of it.
It works.
Throughout the UK, digital Betacam is being voted a success by industry professionals. The result is that digital Betacam is emerging as the de facto standard.
We have ordered 15 digital Betacam machines, and we will be using those in 2 immediate applications, one of which is a digital transmission suite for the Turner organisation, and we are also building our own serial digital edit suite. Digital Betacam offers a digital videotape based format at an economical price, and a price at which we can make money in our business on. So really that consistency and that quality has been one of the main driving force.
It did and stacks up and does what they say. And the machine is also being built a bit more robust, so that is a tremendous advantage for us. I also went to the Sony factory myself in Tokyo, and I played with the deck and could do what I want with it for a day. I even changed the heads myself with no training, no nothing. And this is, this is not bullshit, this is fact. The deck itself is the same size, everything's sort of marked up roughly the same. The front panel is virtually the same. And that's one of the great advantages. You haven't got to go through a learning curve. It seems to work with all the ELIC controllers.
Well, I was very impressed. I was half expecting something that would look a bit like a D2 with lots of flashing panels, lights, menus and things like that. And here was something that looked very much like the 75. And from that point of view, I think that's very good. Yeah, the audio quality is as good as anything that we've got at the moment, D2 or D1. If it says beta on the tape, it'll play it in the machine, and I think that's something that's very important.
Digital Betacam is designed to meet the needs of tomorrow as well as today, because it's fully prepared for the next move in broadcast television, widescreen. It meets the EBU guidelines for 16:9 production in every way. So if you'd like a glimpse into the future and widescreen production, then that can be arranged easily, courtesy of Digital Betacam.